xi means first observation, I can be replaced by 1, 2, 3 or n. Similarly, fi's I can be replaced by f1, f2, f3. So if frequencies are given, then how to calculate the mean? The formula is mean or average or arithmetic mean is equals to, first of all, x1 will be multiplied by f1, that is f1 x1, then f2 will multiply to its corresponding observation x2, then third observation will multiply it to third frequency, and similarly last observation, last frequency fn and xn will multiply it, and their sum, that is sum of the product of corresponding observation and frequency will be divided by sum of all frequencies, that is f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus dot 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 plus fn. So what we can say, if you want to calculate the mean, average or arithmetic mean in case when observations along with frequency are given, we will apply that each observation will be multiplied to its corresponding frequency, their sum will be divided by the sum of all frequencies. If we apply this here, we will need to make a table, that is what, xi then fi. Xi is what? Observation. Fi is what? Frequency. So xi first 5, then its corresponding frequency 4, then 6 corresponding frequency 8, then 7 corresponding frequency 14, then 8 its corresponding frequency 11, then 9 its corresponding frequency is 3. We have to multiply the corresponding observation with its corresponding frequency. So this is known as fi into xi. We need to make one separate column, new column of fi into xi, that is 5 4 ja 20, then 6 8 ja 48, then we will go to 14, 5 into 4, 6 into 8, 7 into this, that is 40, 98, then 11 into 8, 88, then 9 into 3, this is 27. Sum of all these frequencies and sum of all these fi into xi needs to be calculated. If we go to find the sum of this, 8 plus 8 16 plus 8 24, then 24 plus 7, this become 28. Now 24 plus 7 31, 8 8 8, 24 plus 7 31, 31 is 1, carry 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 9 18, and 18 and 10, 18 and 10 become 28. Now we will go to calculate the sum of all frequencies, 8 plus 4 12, then 12 plus 14 plus 11 plus 3, this is coming out to be 40. So to calculate the mean, we will apply the formula sigma fi xi, meaning by sum of the product of frequency and observation divided by sigma fi, where I needs to be written as 1 to n. Similarly, I is equals to 1 to n. Here sigma fi xi, what is this value? 281 divided by 40. The simplification of this result will give us the correct answer, that is 7.025. This is the average mean or the arithmetic mean of this question by using the direct method. This method which I discussed with you is the direct method. Now we will discuss with you the problems which involves the group data and shortcut method with the help of step deviation also. Now I will explain you to solve a question of statics where the class intervals are given. Till now we have observed few frequencies are given like single single single. If it is so, we will apply the formula sum of observations upon number of observations. If frequencies are there with particular observations, then we apply the formula sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. This is known as the direct method. If the data is so big, to make it small, we have grouped it whenever we group the data like 10 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 to 90, 90 to 110. These may be any informations of selling some item in different shops or at any place or anywhere. These are some informations have been collected. Then somebody has decided to make their groups. So when the data are decided to make their groups, such discussion, such classification, such data, such observations are known as the group data. This data is known as the group data. Group data are of two types, where one is the known as inclusive, other is known as the exclusive. Another name of inclusive is discontinuous and another name of exclusive is this, another one, that is the continuous, then exclusive. If discontinuous, then inclusive. This is the group data. Suppose there are some observations 10 to 30. It means that 30 will not be considered in the first interval. Whatever informations we make in the particular groups, suppose the last observation